Hello everyone. I wanted to take just a few minutes today to give a quick overview on the note-taking procedures that you're going to use for AP World History. All notes, as I mentioned in class, are going to be completed in the 5-subject spiral notebook that you will be using. And this is going to make it easier to make sure that you have all of your notes together when you go to prepare for tests, but more importantly for the AP exam later in the year. We're going to use a 2-column or Cornell note style. A little bit different from Cornell notes. I'm not going to have you coming up with questions in the margins as you do with Cornell notes, but the overall format is very similar. So you're going to set up your lines on your page. All notes are going to have to be handwritten. Okay. In your notebook, as I mentioned earlier with the notebook video, you're going to make sure that you number your page. Okay. So at the top of the page, you're going to have the title of the section, and then you're going to have your 2 columns, main ideas, and then your details. You're going to use bullet notes here. Okay, bullet notes is fine, but this is we're going to have the specific details that correspond with the main ideas in the book. Okay, so the way that the readings are set up in your AMSCO book is it's going to have a main heading or your main idea, and it's going to have subheadings. So over here is an example from the first reading that you're going to do. So this is the title, the classical era, and this is the first heading, main heading, Buddhism and developments in South Asia. Then on the next page is the subheading. So you're going to number each subheading in your notes. So when we go back to the notes, we have our first main idea, Buddhism and developments in South Asia. Okay, and there was a little bit of information that we completed for that part. And then the first subheadings is beginnings of Buddhism. And then you're going to complete your notes. Try to use your own words as much as possible. Okay, so you're not essentially rewriting the entire section. And any vocabulary or key concepts or ideas that come up as you're reading, you want to highlight or underline because they're giving definitions there, essentially, is what's happening in the chapter. Okay, and as you do these in your notebook, when you finish a page, it's fine to just turn the page and go on the back. But there'll be the same page number in your notebook. So let's say it takes you 2 pages, 3 pages to complete a section of notes. That will be still be entry 3.